Hi, Pop on Veneers. I just want to say I absolutely love this product. I guess just a little about me. I have like crooked teeth. The bottoms are really bad, so there's no like fixing it, but it kind of filled in the gaps for me and they just look a lot better. But that being said, the process was super quick and simple. I got my pack within like 2 days of ordering it, and then I did the molds, which took me like an hour to do. I had my mom help me, but you can totally do it on your own if you wanted to. The wait I thought would be longer to get them, but I got it back in like a week and a half, so that was awesome. But the main reason I want to do this review because they're so quick and simple to put in, and it makes you feel confident like right away. And if you don't have the money to get braces, which take years to do most of the time, or if you don't qualify for the Invisalign, which I don't because I have weird stuff going on in there, this is a cheap, easy, simple way to feel more confident. And I know for all my work peeps out there, the more confident you feel, the more likely you are to get that banging job. So, and you will have a bit of a lisp at first, but the more you talk with them, the more that will go away. So here's how you put them in. They're super simple. I do the top ones first because they're just easier to do. And then you pop in the bottoms. And they look so much better than my original teeth did. But what made me feel so much more confident about them is I don't have gaps. And if you have to take a picture, so it'll be great. And I can drink with them in. And it's great. So thanks, Pop on Veneers. I love them.